The primary aim of every business is profit maximization. Only when the business is on a profitable and a growing track, it can be called successful. Therefore, an expert marketing advice for business is a must. This video provides marketing advice for profitability of a business. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. The concepts of profitability and growth go hand in hand. Only when a business is profitable could it said to be growing. Marketing plays an important role in determining the profitability. For a tactical marketing strategy, we need appropriate marketing strategy guidance by a professional company. Following are the basic marketing advices for profitability and growth. Number 1. Stay updated with the market trends. Keep a track of all the ongoings in the market. Communicate with people and observe the market to identify the upcoming trends. It is very essential to identify the various marketing opportunities in time, in order to successfully implement them. Put an adequate amount of effort in catching up with the market trends. Read business newspapers and trade journals. Talk to customers to know about their preferences. Subscribe to business or marketing specific blogs on the internet and read them regularly. Long story short, staying up to date with the market trends is one of the prime points in our expert marketing advice for a business. Number 2. Performance excellence. Aim at excellence in every aspect of doing business. Set performance standards for different departments. Ensure that those performance standards are being adhered to. Good performance will result in good quality products. As a result, customers will choose your product over the competitor products because of good quality. Therefore, aim at performance excellence. Number 3. Check finances and manage them. Prepare the cost structure for your business. Analyze the costs involved and minimize them wherever possible. Consider only the necessary purchases and remove the unnecessary expenses. Prepare a strategy of how you will manage your finances by cutting down the costs. Focus on cost effectiveness while taking the various business decisions. Consider working on this marketing advice for profitability and growth provided by us. Finances form the lifeline of any business. Once the finances are kept in check, you might also be having an increased marketing budget at your disposal. Number 4. Develop customer loyalty. Focus on retaining your customers. Offer discounts and various other incentives to the customers. Offer discounts on bulk purchases, free vouchers, free samples, etc. All of this makes the customers come back to you and remember your brand. Maintain a personalized contact with the customers. Inculcate their feedback into your working. For example, if they raise an issue concerned with your product, overcome the same. This will make them feel more significant while dealing with your business. All this will establish customer loyalty and increase the chances of sales repetition. Number 5. Open a feedback channel. A feedback is very important in order to understand how a customer perceives your product. Start an online feedback channel. Ask your customers to put a review for your product on the feedback channel. You will be able to understand the shortcomings and positives of your product. Moreover, put an effort into addressing the customer grievances on a personalized level. Further, transform the feedback into action by working upon the various issues raised. After that, inculcating feedback is going to give you fruitful results. It is a significant part under the broad concept of marketing strategy guidance. Taking feedback and maintaining a proper feedback channel is an underestimated marketing advice for profitability. However, it does bring a lot of results in the long run. Above all, you get a chance to stay in touch with the customer and communicate with him, by way of taking feedback. Number 6. Go through industry-specific case studies. Good case studies, which are relevant to the industry, always provide a very good exposure to increased profitability. By reading the practical case studies of other companies, we get to know about the challenges faced by them and the ways in which they were able to overcome them. Such case studies also help us identifying innovative marketing strategies, which may have been used by the other company. As a matter of fact, case studies can further provide you with more good marketing advice for profitability and growth for your business. Number 7. Know about the promotional strategies. Every industry and every business has certain tactics that are the most effective for them. Many people refer to such tactics as tricks of the trade. Such strategies work according to the business requirements and are of utmost importance for the growth and success of a business. Needless to say, using such marketing strategies help in garnering the maximum profit. You should find out more about the marketing strategies specific to your business. This can be done by doing a survey of your competitors' tactics or doing a comprehensive market research. Number 8. Advertising is actually important. Everyone is aware about the theoretical advantages of advertising. However, when the time actually comes to advertise, many people prefer to save money, rather than advertise. The point that people fail to realize that the money is not being spent but is actually being invested. If properly planned, executed and managed, advertising can certainly reap out many advantages. It can lead to a substantial growth of the business. You can consider this as one of the top marketing advice for profitability. Advertising is considered by many to be a luxury. The cost involved for planning and executing the advertising campaign along with media buying is substantially high, if done professionally. But the main point is that how will you sell the product, unless you are able to reach the customer? You might well be knowing about the advantages and highlights of your product. However, the end customer has to be made aware of it. Once he knows the product and considers to buy it, only then will the chances of sale increase. Hence, you should consider this marketing advice for profitability and start advertising, if you aren't already. All the points render the basic advice for a profitable tomorrow. The marketing advice for profitability and growth provided by us is based on our practical experience of working with numerous of our clients. You should put them into implementation with a structured and systematic approach. A tactical application of all the points will lead to successful business. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.